Oh my gosh, this hair looks so good right now. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how I got these lovely big and bouncy curls using my heated hair rollers. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So first things first, I'm just going to quickly go through my hair with my hairbrush and just smooth out my knotted ends. Now I'm going to be using the Schwarzkopf Pro Styling Heat Protection Spray, which I will basically just spray all around my head and throughout the entire length of my hair. Next up, I'm going to be using the Tresemme Salon Finish Volume and Lift Ultrafine Hairspray, and I'm going to be using this to basically spray all around my hair before applying the rollers. Now the reason that I do this is so that I can give my hair a bit of texture, which allows the rollers to grip onto my hair a bit better, which will hopefully in turn will result into curls that will hold for much longer. Okie doke, now on to the rollers. So I actually like starting off by grabbing a section of my hair like so, right in the middle and right at the top of my head. Now using one of the thickest rollers, I'm going to grab one and basically roll it down to my roots. So I would start by placing the roller at the tips of my hair. Couldn't get into the camera frame, as you can see. I was really trying to crouch down, but never mind. You'll soon see that I'm rolling my the roller down the strand of my hair from the tips to the roots, like so. Now that it's nicely rolled down, I'm just going to give it a quick spritz of hairspray before clipping it down with one of the clips provided in my roller set. Now that the first roller has been done and is nicely secured, I'm just going to follow the direction of my hair going right through to the middle of my head. And just like I did previously, just grab a section of your hair to your desired thickness, depending on whether you want big, softer curls or whether you want to go for smaller, more defined curls. And as you guys saw earlier, this look is more on the big and softer side of things, big and softer curls. So you'll see that I'm grabbing quite a thick piece of hair each time. And since I'm still in the crown area of my hair, I'll be using the thickest barreled roller, which I used previously, where I then wrap my hair around it, starting from the ends and rolling inwards to my roots. Once your strand of hair is set in place, just spritz a little bit of hairspray to hold everything together, and once you're happy with everything, secure with a clip. I'm now going to repeat this until all my hair is fully wrapped in rollers. And in terms of the different size rollers to use, generally speaking, I tend to use the thickest sized rollers on the crown section of my hair, which is like basically the top section, and that's because that's where I want most of the volume to be kind of like put in place. Bigger rollers tend to mean more volume, bigger curls. And then for the bottom half of my hair, I just tend to alternate between the medium sized rollers and the slimmer sized rollers, and that way if I alternate between the different sizes, the curls look a bit more lived in and a little bit more undone, which is the look that I always prefer. And ba-bam, we done. So because of my hair length and thickness, it's actually hard to curl my hair in any way, shape or form. So I always leave my rollers in to set and cool for about an hour. This gives me a chance to do my hair, get dressed, have breakfast or lunch or whatever, and basically, just do an hour of life really while I'm waiting for the rollers to set. When the hour is up, feel around your hair and the rollers and just check that they've all cooled down fully, which they have here. And once everything feels cool to touch, then they're pretty much ready to be taken out. So I'm going to unwrap this now bit by bit. This is actually my favourite part because you get to see all the curls. Oh, this one's a bit tangled. Ooh, look at that curl. And this is the part where I start running my fingers through my hair to make the curls look more piecey, separate them out a little bit, and make them look a little bit more undone, basically. So I actually got these rollers about 2 years ago now from Amazon, and I think they're still on Amazon to this day. So what I'll do is, if I find it, I'm gonna put all the details down along with all the other products that I used on this video, and I will include a link as well so you can get it if you feel like this would be something that would work on your hair as well. It's really, really good, and I've had it for a while now. Yeah, that's it with the rollers. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the final look. I mean, come on, how lovely are these curls? They're just so gentle and very nice and sensual. They're just so nice, and like, I love it. I just love my curls big and bouncy, and I am happy and I'm good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I'd love it if you could please give this video a thumbs up, and if you could also subscribe, that would be amazing. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!